Welcome to your new and fast lighting design workflow with Metaroom and DIALux.
Here we will explain step by step how it works.
It all starts with the Metaroom Scan app, available on the App Store for your iPhone Pro or iPad Pro. Download the app and turn your Apple Pro device into a powerful 3D scanner and capture detailed rooms within minutes.
The app guides you through the entire scanning process. If it's your first time scanning, check out the How to Scan videos on the Metaroom Help Center or YouTube for helpful tips and tricks.
Once the scan is completed, the data is uploaded to the cloud and your 3D model is automatically reconstructed within minutes. You'll receive an email with a link to the 3D model of your scanned space.
Next, access your 3D model on your desktop computer using the browser. Simply log in to Metaroom with your credentials and select a scanned space to open the 3D model. The model tree provides a quick overview of all captured details. It displays different floors, rooms, and all automatically recognized elements within the parametric 3D model.
You'll notice that rooms and open spaces are automatically detected in the reconstruction after the scanning process, making your DIALux import even more convenient. When you open the downloaded 3D model in DIALux, these areas are automatically defined as spaces, eliminating the need for any manual adjustments.
If you captured snapshots during your scan, you can view them by clicking the icon. Use these snapshots for documentation or to access the AI-assisted 3D object creation. The Intelligent Instance Segmentation tool helps you identify, isolate, and create additional 3D elements that were not captured automatically from your scanned space. With just a few clicks, you can add surfaces or boxes, transforming your scans into a comprehensive and optimized model tailored to your needs. This function is particularly interesting for lighting designers when working with complex ceilings.
If you didn't capture snapshots during the scan, you can still access images or scan frames through the scan path. Scan frames are automatically taken during scanning. Click on a dot with the arrow pointing in the desired direction to review and create objects from these scan frames.
Once you've optimized your 3D model, trigger the export directly from the model or through the Projects tab in the navigation bar. Select the DIALux IFC. Click Export and download your personalized 3D model to start working in DIALux.
Now, start DIALux EVO 13 and select the Import IFC option from the left menu in the Start mode. Then choose your IFC file and click Open to begin the import.
A wizard will appear to guide you through the process. In the first step, you'll see an overview of your IFC file's content. DIALux imports all elements previously captured with the Metaroom Scan app, such as the room geometry, windows, furniture, and even spaces with names assigned in the Metaroom Platform.
As a lighting designer, this saves you significant time, as there's no need to design everything from scratch. Finally, choose your preferred import method and finish the import process.
Next, select the appropriate room. You can add textures to the walls and floor, rearrange furniture if needed, and start your lighting design.
Choose a suitable luminaire for the application and create, for instance, a line arrangement over these tables. Then, calculate your project and you're done.
From a true-to-scale scan of a room with all its elements using the Metaroom Scan app to creating a corresponding IFC file with the Metaroom Platform and importing it into DIALux EVO with the subsequent lighting design, Metaroom and DIALux allow you to optimize your workflow significantly.